In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up emails from Hostinger Webmail. Before we begin, a quick note on why this matters. Creating a local backup of your mailbox protects your conversations, attachments, and records in case you need to move providers, switch devices, or simply keep an offline archive for peace of mind. First, log in to Hostinger Webmail using your usual credentials. Once you're in, check which interface you're using. If you don't see an export option in the current layout, switch to the old or classic version of Webmail. The export feature is available there, and you'll typically find a link or toggle in a menu labeled Settings, Profile, Appearance, or something similar. If you already see an export option, you can stay where you are. Next, open the mailbox or specific folder you want to back up. You can export everything at once, or go folder by folder if you prefer a more organized archive. Common choices include Inbox, Sent, and any custom folders you've created. Focusing on one folder at a time can make large backups more manageable and easier to restore later. Look for the export option for your emails. This might appear in a toolbar, a drop-down menu, or an action menu represented by 3 dots. When you select Export, you'll be asked to choose a format. You'll typically see EML, MBOX, or MailDir. Here's how to decide. EML saves each message as its own file, which is great if you want to open or move individual emails and is supported by many desktop clients. MBOX collects all selected messages into a single file, which is convenient for importing into popular mail apps like Thunderbird and Apple Mail. MailDir stores each message as a separate file within a structured set of folders, which can be useful for server-side workflows or advanced users who prefer that layout. If you're unsure, MBOX is often a solid, widely compatible choice. Once you've selected the format, start the export process. Large folders can take a while, so keep your browser tab open and avoid putting your device to sleep. A stable internet connection helps ensure the export completes without interruptions. When the export is ready, download the generated file to your computer. Choose a clear destination, such as a dedicated backups folder, and give it a descriptive name that includes the mailbox or folder and the date. If the file is sizable, verify the download completed fully before moving it. For extra safety, consider storing a copy on an external drive or a secure cloud storage service. That's it. You've successfully backed up your emails from Hostinger Webmail.